Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and welcome to the absolute epitome of high quality family living here at 31A Willcott Street, Mount Albert. The gourmet kitchen is a true masterpiece, featuring high quality bench tops and sink, extra wide oven, and an enviable scullery, perfect for hosting summer barbecues and drinks. The open plan layout effortlessly brings the outdoors in, and the tasteful, easy care grounds are an absolute delight. Upstairs, a large second living area and 3 generous bedrooms offer the perfect space to unwind. And the master boasts a walk-in wardrobe and ensuite. Gorgeous tiled bathrooms are filled with luxury touches, making every moment spent here a true indulgence. A 4th bedroom with its own entrance and ensuite downstairs adds versatility to your living, while the 304 square metre freehold site is within popular Gladstone and Mag school zoning. It's just a short stroll to shops, cafes, eateries, and a couple of minutes walk to the train station. This exceptional home offers the ultimate in family living. There's so much on offer here, and the photos and video just don't do it justice. Make sure you come along on the weekend to the open homes or give us a call and we can arrange a private viewing.